Today I'd like to discuss a mediation I went to on one of my cases. It involves a person who injured his left shoulder and underwent surgery. Well, we try to have the mediation to try to settle the case. And what the other attorney did was he presented a video, a surveillance video, that showed my client going to the beach, swimming, showed my client going to the gym and actually doing an exercise that involves shoulders, and basically indicated that he was a fraud because he was doing things and activities that he wasn't supposed to. And by stating that he's a fraud, basically the other attorney wanted to try to lowball us and say that it was a fraudulent case and he shouldn't pay a lot on the case. Now, the interesting thing about it is that I had the updated medical records from an orthopedic surgeon, and the records indicated that in order for my client to get better, he needed to swim, he needed to go to the gym and do certain exercises involving the shoulders. And these were all the activities that my client was doing in that video. Clearly, the other attorney didn't have the updated medical records, or he had the updated medical records but didn't really review them. And so when he showed that video, he supported my case because it showed that my client was being compliant with medical treatment. And so we were able to obtain a favorable settlement for my client. And so I've discussed this before, but insurance companies like to do what's called surveillance. They'll pay a private investigator to follow you. Most of the times you don't even know they're following you, and they try to somehow establish that you're doing some physical activities that you're not supposed to, or you claim you can't do, and they try to say that you've committed fraud. So these are tricks that they do, but it's important to be ready, as in this case, we were able to obtain a favorable settlement because there was evidence that my client actually complied with the doctor's orders, and that video really helped my case. It didn't hurt it. It's always important to be ready, and that's why it's important to have an attorney who's ready to represent you in all your proceedings.